How to score 100% in TOEFL Junior Listen and Speak activity. Achieving 100% in the listen and speak activity of the TOEFL Junior Speaking Test requires effective preparation and strong communication skills. Here are some tips to help you excel. Before the test, familiarize yourself with the format. The listen and speak activity consists of 4 tasks. In Task 1, you listen to a short dialogue and answer questions about it. In Task 2, you listen to a description of a picture and describe it yourself. In Task 3, you listen to a short talk and answer questions about the main points. In Task 4, you listen to 2 people's opinions on a topic and express your own opinion. Practice listening comprehension. Actively listen to English audio materials like podcasts, audiobooks, and TV shows. Focus on understanding key details and the speaker's main points. Develop your speaking skills. Practice speaking English regularly with friends, family, or a tutor. Focus on fluency, pronunciation, and grammar accuracy. Vocabulary building. Expand your vocabulary by learning new words and phrases related to common topics covered in the TOEFL Junior Test, such as school, hobbies, and current events. During the test, stay calm and focused. Take a few deep breaths to relax and concentrate on the task at hand. Listen carefully. Pay close attention to the speaker and any instructions you are given. Don't get distracted by the test environment. Take notes. If possible, jot down key points while listening to help you remember them for later. Speak clearly and confidently. Speak at a moderate pace. And enunciate your words clearly. Avoid mumbling or speaking too fast. Organize your thoughts. Before you start speaking, take a moment to think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. This will help you avoid rambling or going off topic. Use complete sentences. Avoid using one-word answers or sentence fragments. Try to use complete sentences to demonstrate your understanding and ability to communicate effectively. Answer all parts of the question. Make sure you address all parts of the question being asked. Don't just focus on one aspect. Use appropriate vocabulary and grammar. Use a variety of vocabulary words and correct grammar structures to show your language proficiency. Stay within the time limit. Be mindful of the time limit for each task and avoid going over the allotted time. Additional tips. Get a good night's sleep before the test. Being well rested will help you focus and perform your best. Eat a healthy breakfast on the day of the test. Having a nutritious breakfast will give you the energy you need to concentrate during the test. Arrive at the test center early. This will give you time to relax and settle in before the test starts. Read the instructions carefully. Make sure you understand what you are being asked to do before you start each task. knrenglish.com